it just got thrown into Congress now, and it's actually being discussed. 3D printing, people are 3D printing guns at home without serial numbers, so they're not registered, they're not tracked. And granted, they're not as good as these guns, but they can operate like guns. So I wanted to ask you guys, what do you think draws the line, and how we should go about that? Should we just not really care about it? Should we try to treat it the same way as, you know, we do with real guns? Should we be able to print 3D guns, or should we not be able to? Just your thoughts on the situation.
I don't think they should be able to 3D print it at all.
At all?
No.
No, because that way people who are not able to get guns because they don't pass a background check can just go home and print their own 3D gun. That's not right.
Do you think we would ever find an equilibrium to where we could 3D print guns at home that are registered? Is that something you'd be for?
I don't see why someone would want to 3D print a gun. Like, I just, like, go buy one. I don't understand. That's just me.